Hi Leo, welcome to another love reading of yours. This is going to be for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus for the remaining days of July 2020. Keep in mind this is a general reading. This may or may not resonate with every Leo watching this video. Time is fluid. You could have dealt with this energy or will be dealing with in the near future. And of course the energies of the cards here can be flipped, so feel free to switch the energies, vice versa. If you need more information and a private reading, then that information is going to be down below. This is for my Leos in love. What's going on, Leos? All right. Walking away. Someone was indecisive, I think, in the past year. Could be juggling two people, could be juggling a situation, all right? But someone's walking away because there's been a decision, okay? Someone has clarity about a situation and they're walking away from something that doesn't make them happy or walking away from a person that doesn't make them happy, okay? Right now, you're stuck at a crossroads. You're needing to make a decision, okay? This is someone who's making a very detached choice. This is someone who's half in, half out is what I'm getting, okay? That's the current situation here. Your immediate challenge is to tame the situation, to tame the emotions, to hold on tight, okay? You need to put in all your strength, courage, and stamina into this situation, and you need to hold on. Cannot give up, okay? But I see with the Eight of Cups here, you're almost ready to walk away or you have walked away, okay? On your mind, you're not rushing into something. You're holding back. There's a lack of forward movement here. Either you're holding back communication or you're just holding back from seizing the opportunity, because I think things are stuck and stagnant right now. There is a reconciliation that's coming in, okay? If you guys are in a separation, then I feel like there's a reconciliation, or then there's someone who's making a final decision. That's why they're taking time. The Two of Wands can be someone who can be stuck and stagnant for a very long time, okay? Very long time. Could be ego, could be that someone's waiting and not making a choice, because with the Strength can also indicate ego, okay? So probably there's someone whose biggest challenge is ego, okay? There's someone who's a lot in their ego and not in their emotions. But you're in no hurry is what I'm getting. Because you almost made a very assertive final decision, okay? In the past, you could have trusted your intuition or you could have given this person the silent treatment, okay? But there's someone out here now who was trying to avoid and ignore a situation, and but now they're feeling guilty and they're wanting to return back. Someone from your past wants to come back. Could be the same person who walked away, okay? Could be the same person who walked away. But it's like on your mind, you've already made the decision, okay? There's someone here, one person here is very conflicted in their head, okay? Very conflicted. They just don't know what's happening. Could be someone who's getting like shit thrown at them from every corner, or just someone who's just very they're contradicting their thoughts and emotions, okay? And there's one person here who's put the entire thing on hold. I think that's you, because on your mind, again, you're holding back. You're giving this some time. You're at a halt. Everything's stuck and stagnant out here, and you could be the one who is giving this person the silent treatment. But you, again, I'm getting a lot of assertiveness. I'm getting someone who's made a final decision, okay? You're making a final call and you're very close to making a decision, okay? Could be that you're just going to walk away is what I'm getting. But in your emotions, you're laying off the situation, okay? Because this is a burden that you cannot carry on anymore. This entire situation is very overwhelming for you, okay? It's stressing you out, it's exhausting you, it's a very draining energy, and you're ready to release the burdens, is what I'm getting. And that's what you're thinking about. That's why you're taking your time to make a decision. But I think you're going to be very, very assertive about what you want. And with the likely outcome, with the Death here, I feel that you're ending things with someone. This could be someone who, whenever this person is in your life, right, this person could be in and out of your life, I'm getting. With the Seven of Swords in reverse, this could be someone, that's just how they operate, okay? Like they withhold information, they back off, they ghost, they come back. They ghost, they come back, okay? And that's exactly what they're doing. Because I think your tactic to control the situation is the High Priestess. That's how you try to control the situation. You hold back, you just hold back communication, okay? And you put in all your strength and stamina into it. And by giving the silent treatment, this person's realizing what they've done. I don't know what they've done, although, but this person, whenever this person comes into your life, I think they bring a lot of drama in your life. Okay, a lot of bickering and conflicts, and like too much tension. But you're ready to release this burden. You've done a lot of thinking. Okay, it's like the hangman is like a very spiritual, very meditative energy. Okay, there's like a period of no action that you've gone through or you're going through, and you're ready to release this. Okay, with the death here, it can be two things: either you're going through a spiritual transformation and you're ready to transform this entire relationship into something, or I think you're just completely ending things with this person and wanting a new beginning in another area of your life or with someone else. I don't see another person in the picture yet, but I feel you're definitely going towards an ending here. Okay, ending to something that no longer makes you happy. Eight of Cups, the death here, almost the same. This is walking away from a situation that doesn't make you happy. This is walking away from a situation that is completely dead. It's like if you continue this, it's dragging a dead horse. I think you did that for a very long time, okay? And now you're ready to let it go because you're very assertive. You could have been it's almost like you could have jumped into a situation with this person very often, okay? And that's why there was a lot of drama. This time you're holding back. This time you're not getting into any conflict. You're not rushing into this person. You're wanting to give this time, and that's exactly what you're doing. And when you're doing that, this person is coming back. That's exactly when this person is coming back, because they can see the amount of strength and the amount of holding back that you're doing. You're withdrawing your energies from them. But what they don't see coming is an ending, is what I'm getting. I'm getting a lot of, it doesn't make me happy. If it doesn't serve them, I'm ready to make a decision and walk away, because you bring nothing but drama to my life. I guess the silent treatment worked. Alright, Leo, I hope this reading resonates with you. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.